Hi guys, Miss Goldsby. A couple quick things for Monday and Tuesday's lessons. One is you're supposed to practice your typing. So what should you practice? Well, you can go to the games like this if you want to and practice any of these games. They're all open. You could also look through your lessons and you could go back to say beginner and you could say, I would like to have 98 or higher accuracy on all my lessons, so scroll through them, see if you have that. I actually do, so I might want to make oh no, I don't. This one has 97. Okay, so out of all my beginner lessons, I have two that have 97. So I might want to restart those and work on that. I could make a goal based on speed and say, oh, I want my speed to be I've been typing a long time, so my speed's going to be faster, of course. Maybe you say I want my speed to be over 20, and you go through and you find anything that has less than 20 and you redo that. I could say I want mine to be at least 40, and then I could start working on this. Now, if you hover over these little bars, it'll tell you, like this one, I'm 36. This one is okay, I have 41, so I don't need to redo that one. This one is 58. So if you just hover over these, it'll tell you, oh, this one's only 34, so I want to redo this one. So if I just click on it, it'll take me back there, and I can do that. Although this one has got a little video with it, but that's fine. All right, so we're going to be doing typing. I can see how much you've typed and when you have typed. My other class had this assignment last week, and what did they do? I looked to see if they typed on Monday and Tuesday. Some of them did, some of them didn't. If they didn't, then they got a 0, and then they wanted to know why they got a 0. Well, because I told you to practice on Monday and Tuesday, so make sure you do it. The other thing you're going to have to do on Monday and Tuesday is you're going to be working in your AES. And I've got this already in the lesson you're going to be working on. Lesson 1, what are goals? You do not need your career plan or your occupation research, which should have already been turned in for this. Let me go back here to the beginning. So this one does have a worksheet. So when I go to Unit 2, I'm going to go to Career Development. I'm going to go to Unit 2, Career Goals and Barriers. And before I start working, I need to open up my worksheet. Here's my worksheet. It says Open Electronic Worksheet. And I click on it, and it opens up in a new tab. There are 9 entries. They all go with Lesson 1. You have 2 days to do this. Okay? There are 5 questions. So when you're doing your lesson, I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually not going to reset this one. I'm going to start it here because I want to show you a few things. So when the lesson starts, what you're going to do is go through the lessons. There's a lot of questions in this lesson, and it's not easy. It's not easy for adults to do this, okay? So you will get your questions wrong. I don't get them all right the first time, but the good thing is you can try them again. Now, so let me go ahead and hit the next button. So there's a lot of questions in here. So for instance, if it says which short-term goals are not SMART, I already answered this, so it's not going to let me choose again. No, I already answered this too. So let's go ahead. So you're going to be learning about short-term goals. You're going to be learning about long-term goals. And you're going to be learning what a SMART goal is. Now, I'm going to ask you a question. The thing you need to do is if you get a question wrong or if you get it right, you need to read what pops up in the box so you understand it. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next screen, and I'm going to go a little bit more. Remember, anytime you see a pencil, that tells you what question you're going to find. So this one says I'm going to find the answer to question 5 on this particular screen. So once I look through here and listen to it and read it, I should find the answer to question 5. Okay? So make sure you get your worksheet done. It is going down as a grade. Question 5 is, what is an action plan? Well, here's your answer. A list of specific steps that need to be done to reach a goal. All right, so basically, the other thing, this needs to say complete, not started. Okay, it needs to say completed. If I decide to grade whether or not you did this lesson and I pull a report, if I see that you started it but you didn't finish it, then you're not going to get credit for it. All right, so for Monday and Tuesday, you're going to do this lesson, what are goals? The worksheet goes with it, and you're going to practice typing. And I'll be back on Wednesday to give you some more instructions on what's going on. Alrighty, over and out.